Good morning, everyone. My name is Romel James Giliaban. Understanding cyberbullying. Setting boundaries for your online self. So, what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is a form of bullying that takes place over digital platforms such as social media, text messages, or online forums. So, ang deliberate harm, using technology to intimidate, manipulate, or harm others. 24/7 nature. Unlike traditional bullying, it can happen anytime, anywhere, making it hard to escape. Anonymity. Perpetrators often act without immediate consequences due to digital masking. So, form of aggression. Number 1 is blaming. Posting offensive or defamatory comments online to provoke anger or a response. Often seen in comment section. Harassment. Repeated and intentional action aimed at threatening or abusing someone via harmful messages or emails. Cyberstalking. Persistent online harassment or threats intended to instill fear, including tracking online activities. Number 4, masquerade. Impersonating another individual to deceive or manipulate, gaining access to information or spreading hate. Number 5, denigration. Spreading false rumors, negative comments, or embarrassing photos to damage someone's reputation. Number 6, outing. Deliberately sharing private, sensitive, or embarrassing information without consent to cause harm. So, number 7, exclusion. Intentionally isolating someone from an online group or social circle as a form of social rejection. Number 8, phishing. A cybercrime where attackers deceive individuals via fake emails, websites to steal personal info. Number 9, sexting. Sharing sexual suggestive content. Non-consensual sharing of this content is a severe form of exploitation. The impact. The continuous nature of online interaction means victims often feel there is no escape. Emotional, profound feelings of isolation, anxiety, and depression. Psychological, low self-esteem, and a sense of helplessness. Severe consequences. In extreme cases, it can lead to self-harm or suicidal thoughts.